Welcome back, everybody. Here's the interior fully torn down, and now it's time to start putting stuff back in. I 3D printed these pieces and glued them to my firewall just before I vinyl wrapped them. I did this because there's a gap between my two firewalls, and this kind of allows a transition between them and hides an ugly gap. I was going to vinyl wrap the sides of the car right here where it's black, but there's so many rivets, the vinyl wrap has trouble going over them. And the carpet's too thick because my seats are basically pushed up against this, so I decided just to paint it. I bought some nice black cut pile carpet from yourautotrim.com. I'll leave a link below. And this was pretty easy. This you just cut to size, and I glued it in with a 3M adhesive. I thought it was pretty cool that the 3M adhesive sprays a web, but nobody else seems to think so I guess it's just me. I put my final interior piece back in, which is this cover right here, and it is just a strange shape and odd area. I have a bunch of little seals trying to block any gaps I have because it goes directly to the engine bay. So a lot of noise seeps through here. And I packed in some insulation foam just because it's such a strange shape. I can't get this perfect. One of the best things I added this winter was power door locks. I have been missing those so badly. There's only a keyhole on the driver's side lock. So if I want to open the passenger door, put a backpack over there or something, I have to get in the car, unlock it, or just kind of fall in the car with a backpack. So now I actually have power locks, and it's gonna be very nice. I'm so excited for that this summer. $20 add-on, what's gonna make such a difference. The weather seal that goes around this edge here, I had to grind down the flange, and I had raw fiberglass showing. But just today I painted that black to match. My pedal covers are worn through, so I bought a new set. And here are the new pedals swapped in, looking much better. I added the mesh grille to the front bumper. It finishes it off pretty nicely. Before it was just open. This really cleans it up, makes it look more complete. One of the next things on my list is to fix the passenger door. It's sagged or settled or something, but it kind of fights you to get closed. So I gotta rehang it, get it to stop rubbing over here. Another item on my to-do list is to paint the fender liners. It's still bare aluminum in there, so I have some rubberized paint I'm gonna put in there to turn it black and hopefully make it a little less tinny when the little rocks hit it. Be sure to check out my other videos, and thanks for watching.